Hey guys, this is Jamil and you are watching JTCAD. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to convert a DWG file format to Microstation DGN file format. Now we have a file which is test2.dwg, which is AutoCAD file format. We'll just go ahead and open this file in AutoCAD. Now as you can see that this is AutoCAD file. Now we need to convert it to Microstation DGN file format. There are multiple options in here. The first one, we can go ahead to file and export. The easiest method is to change it to be a DGN file format, and the name we will give is this is test2.dwg. Earlier I had tried for test1. Now I'm going to change it to test2 and I will save. When I'm hitting save as export as DGN settings, this window opens. This is the thing that it is asking: translate all DWG references to DGN files. Means any references that are attached in this file will be converted to DGN file format also. The second option is to bind all DWG references into one DGN file or ignore any DWG references. External DGN references will also be handled in this. The next thing that most of the users may get this error is specified seed file. The seed file is actually a template file which is similar to AutoCAD file, which is in AutoCAD we use template files as DWG files. In Microstation, seed files are used which are in DGN file format. So in here, some of the users, if you click here, this space will be empty, nothing will be written here. In that case, you have to go here, click this and specify any of the DGN file format that you have in this same with the same settings that you have in DWG file. If you don't have, just message me in comments and I'll send any of the samples in DGN file if you need. If you don't have any, just click browse button and browse the area where you have the DGN seed file, specify the seed file and open it. The master units that are used in this file are feet. I'll select that, and here are the standards that will be used, like layer. In layer 0 will be converted to DGN file 0 level, and all the levels will be changed in this way. Line type will be, this name will be converted to this, and line weights will be converted from here to here. Colors will be the color settings are different in Microstation and AutoCAD, so it will not be any mapping for colors. I'll just go ahead and click OK, and upon this window I will hit export to a DGN file. It says the export translation successful. I will just open my folder where I have converted. This is the file that I converted. I'll open my Bently Microstation and the DWG test2, the one I recently converted. I'll open, and you can see here all the file is converted to Microstation format. So this is the easiest and best method that you can use to convert your DWG files to AutoCAD. The other options that you can use to convert your AutoCAD files to DGN is to simply go ahead to File, Open, and if the file is not open in any other window, like this file, it is not right now open, it is the DWG file. From here you have to change to CAD files, and it is listing all of the DGN, DWG and DXF files. All will be listed here. We can open a DWG file to Microstation, open it, and then form file, go to export to DGN, DWG and DXF. Right now you can see that it is in DWG file. We can change from here to Microstation V8 DGN file. Go to options, references. You can check here whether you want to convert the references or no. I'll say yes, convert the references, and you can see the other settings here as well. I'll hit OK, and I'll name it as plan2.dw.dgn. You can see here in my folder there is no plan2.dgn. I will save it, and now you can see here that it is over here. plan2.dgn is here. I will open in Microstation. Okay, you can see here my DWG file is now a plan2.dgn file, which is 3D V8 DGN. To convert this Microstation 3D to 2D, let's go ahead to file, export, and at the end there is 2D. Just change it to plan2 to, I will say plan3, and hit OK. Let's go ahead. Now here is the file. Open it in Microstation. Okay, you can see here it is now 2D V8 DGN file format. So this is the some of the methods that you can use to convert your DWG file to DGN file format. And if you want to learn how to convert a Microstation file to AutoCAD file, there is another video that I'll leave the link in my description or on upright. Just go ahead and check it. It's very easy method. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe and like, and if you want to share the video with your colleagues, go ahead. Best of luck.